Hi everybody, it's day 3. I'm really not feeling that well today, so I'm not going to even do the full face. I'm just going to do the crease cut here. I said I wanted to try red and peach today, and white or pink or something like that, so that's what I'm going to do. Of course, I'm starting with my eyebrows, getting that out the way. So now I'm just blending that concealer on my eyelid to build a nice foundation for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this palette, also by BH Cosmetic. It is the RIO edition of Take Me Back to Brazil. And I'm going to use this soft pink. This palette is of all shimmer. Everything in it is shimmer. It has the exact same color as the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I guess you can say it's the remix version of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Okay, this color is not showing up enough for me, so I'm going to mix it with this color. Okay, now that's the kind of peachy color I wanted. So I'm using the box of crayons again, and also this is the P.louise Rumour 4. I'm using a darker one today. The 4 is darker, only because I'm using darker colors and not those really light, bright colors. I really wasn't joking when I said I need an eye lift. This is what I have to do to make sure that I establish the crease cut. I have to hold up my freaking skin just to get the shit on my eyelid, which is very irritating. Now I'm going to blend it out, just around here. That's the only part I really want blended, not the other part. Now I'm going to take this smaller brush, pat it down. Now I'm going to take that same color I used earlier and go back over it just to make sure that it doesn't get lost in the transition. Now I'm going to start blending in the red. So sorry, I had my hand in the way of the camera. But right now, I'm just blending that red in there very well. Just a FYI, when dealing with red eyeshadow, since it's so pigmented, it does take a little work to actually get it the way that you really want it. And you have to be very careful with red because it can spread places that you do not want it. So take your time. So now I'm going to go back with that color again. A little bit of this one. And this one. Now I'm going to go in with a little brown and place it on the outer crease of the eyelid. Once I finish blending the brown on the outer crease very well, I'm going to go back in with my red eyeshadow using my blending brush and place it back on the crease to make sure that the red pops. So now I'm going to go over it with my fluffy blending brush. I just want to try to get rid of those harsh lines. So I'm going to blend, blend, blend. It's always best to use a fluffy brush for this process. Now I'm going to go back in with P.louise Rumour 3. The first one I used was Rumour 4. This is Rumour 3. And I would like to use this to help, but for some reason it makes it cakey, and I don't want it to be cakey. I'm going to try and use it this time. Hopefully it doesn't fail me, because I'm really not in the mood for it to fail me right now, but we shall see. So I'm going to go in between. I'm going to use the NYX and the P.louise. So I put the P.louise on first, and then I put the NYX over it. See, this is what I was talking about with the NYX. This cakey shit, I hate it. But I've already used it, so I have to do it to the other eye now. That's the only thing I don't like about this. It's so cakey. Like, it shouldn't be like that. Now I'm going to get the excess off and pat it down. So now I'm putting some more red because I kind of went over on the crease cut and I want both sides to look exactly the same. I'm trying to get them a little more edgier because that white base really screwed me up. I'm gonna try to fix it some kind of way. I'm ready to throw this shit in the trash. That's how disappointed with it I am. Because I don't want it to be cakey, because it's going to have a hard time sticking to the eyeshadow correctly. So we're about to just roll with it because it's done already. So now I'm going to take this glittery white color, put it here. I think this crease is a little higher, but practice makes perfect, and I'll do better next time. Hopefully when I'm feeling better. See, that's the cakiness I was talking about with that white. It looks cakey to me. It might not look cakey. It might just be me. Y'all see that? Now I'm blending away the harsh lines. I'm going to get a large eyeshadow brush. Wait a minute, there was white right here. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil RIO edition. The one I showed y'all the other day was the regular one. This one is the RIO edition. And these colors are all shimmer colors. Shimmer, glitter, whatever you want to call it. The other ones were just matte. So this is the one I'm using today. I think I want to use a light pink. Nothing too light, but nothing too dark. This one right here. And take this one. And like join those two colors together, the white and the red, by blending the pink on top of it. I like that. It came out pretty. I guess I was worried for nothing. I know I probably look a little weird without having like real lashes on, like butt lashes. But every time I use lashes, they take my eyelashes off, my natural eyelashes. And I don't have any lashes right now. Like, I'm bald-eyed. Okay, my friends were laughing at me because they said I was bald-eyed. I have no lashes anymore. I used to have long, pretty lashes. But I was trying to be on trend and use false lashes. And guess what? Took my shit away. Took all of it. I really don't have much. I have to look up some type of way to grow my lashes back because I'm not feeling this. So that might be why it looks a little weird to you, because I don't have on lashes. I like it. It came out nice. Once again, I have to blend it. I'm just trying to blend this a little more. So just a little bit to blend these two colors a little better. So after applying the liquid eyeliner, I like to go back over it with an angle brush to make sure the lines are precise and clean. See, I have no lashes, and I still have glue stuck on them from the last time. So I'm going to take a small concealer brush for my waterline, and I'm going to start with the white. I like to go back over some of the eyeshadow Once I put this wing on, just to make sure some of it didn't like fade away while I was putting that on. It's not showing up as bright as it should because I don't have any foundation on, because I told you I'm not feeling good, so I'm not going to do my foundation. But it would probably show up perfectly. Sorry I didn't put my foundation on. If I had put foundation on, I would have done this part last, like after I put everything on. I threw a little lipstick on, that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To all those who are watching or the people in the future who will watch, get out my video. What are you doing? I just want to say thanks for watching. I plan on growing my channel. And like I said, this is day number 3. And I think I did okay for day number 3. Hopefully, tomorrow I feel better because I feel like shit right now. So, bye everybody.